Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I saw Americans, yeah man, especially young ladies, talking about food stamp, guys. When I saw them on the internet speaking about food stamp, it bring me down memory lane. As when I was a kid, my mom, she was a single mom back then, and the government helped her out a lot with her kids. Yeah, said food stamp is for single mom, elderly, and the disabled. But again, guys, we have to be careful how many kids we have. Whether you're in Jamaica, you're in America, we have to be careful how many kids we have, because when the government realize that especially single mom is riding the system. Yeah, man. And they're turning out so much millions in 5 years. They're going to cut something. Something have to give. The upper class is well off, but poor people need food stamp. Because in America, when you have like four kids, three kids, five kids, you just food stamp come in handy. I live in Canada now, guys. Me, my daughter, and my husband. Guess what? Every 2 weeks is 500 and something bucks, in Walmart for groceries. So when I saw Americans talking about it, they really need the help. So back to Melissa now, guys. Melissa destroyed Jamaica, especially three parishes really get affected: Mandeville, Manchester, and St. Elizabeth. But I know like Jamaicans that are living overseas will like donate money back home. Yeah man, send money, but you have to be careful who you're sending money to back home, so guys, because it's not everybody is honest, especially the elderly people. They are the one is gonna really need the help to put on back their roof, fix anything, tile work, plumbing, anything. They're the one is gonna need the help. Even my sister, I speak to her on WhatsApp, and she said my mom house get a bit damaged, but they're living there so they can work and fix it up. And I hope America would send some aid to Jamaica, yeah man, to help, because to help with the situation. And I know the government will come in and do it thing too, yeah man. And we have, I think they said about 19 plus person passed away in Melissa, guys said. We have to just be strong for each other and look out for each other. And we have to just, people overseas have to just be careful who they are sending their money back to in Jamaica. You can't just pass that to, guys. You can't just pass that. Yeah. So anyway, guys, thanks for listening. Yeah, man. You know, so Tamara love if we put that two little joke in our video them. So anyway, guys, and have a great weekend. Bye.